awesome for the sap in the small pustules on the tree can be used to light fires if you're in a desperate situation. Also, the pus can be medicinal and can be used to treat colds in certain tribal cultures. So why don't you come over here and see? This is a sap pustule. That one's been popped and that one's being popped and there's sap in it. And it's happy.
And we can use this for incense.
Okay. What you are looking at is a lake. And it is frozen. You can tell it's frozen because it has ice on it. And these
Hey guys.
are my co-workers. And we will be telling you about the frozen lake.
Oh my god, frozen lake. So this lake is an oligotrophic lake, which means that it's clear and it has a low nutrient count, which makes it really good for swimming and hanging out by. Except you can't really tell right now because it's frozen.
Still nice to hang out by.
Yeah.
That's
So-
good for swimming.
Yeah.
Well, when it's not frozen, you know.
Okay, so you're not going to
Unique
demonstrate.
to the Midwestern states, this lake is dimictic, which means it mixes twice a year. The first time it mixes is in fall, and then again in spring, because the lake freezes, and so it's a backwards stratification of the lake. So it stratifies in summer and in winter.
So you're saying the warmest part of the lake is not the top anymore?
No, it's on the bottom, where there's water that we just stepped in.
See, now that is a cool thing in nature.
Right, so this is one of the famous white pine trees that we have here on this property here. And when you're on trail, it's good to know because you can make great tea from this thing, and it's also edible. I can demonstrate. Weak stomach. No appreciation for cool things in nature. What? Alright. So, in the 1930s, and in 1910, this area was completely logged for its white pine. These majestic trees can live very long times, and they're really good for lumber. So they were cut down by lumber companies who want to make a profit, and now they're very rare.
It's very cold.
What guys? Hey guys, I'm cold.
Would you like to build a fire?
I'm so cold that I'm shivering.
Hey, it's getting dark out. We should probably head in.
Probably.
Yeah.
Which way are we,
Wait.
which way are we supposed to be going?
Well,
We were supposed to be going south.
wait.
We're going north.
We've been going north this entire time. We'll never hit school.
Kai, look behind you!
What?
Kai!
Behind
Oh,
you!
Kai!
Oh god, where did Kai go?
I think that thing killed Kai.
That thing? And where's Colin?
Ah! We lost him. We must have lost him.
Garrett, behind you!
I like lakes.
Centipede.